Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Thumbtack payments to bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Thumbtack payments to your bank, begin by logging into your Thumbtack account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the payments section located in your dashboard. Here, you will see an overview of your earnings and any pending payments. Locate the withdraw button, which is typically found in this section. Click on the withdraw button to initiate the withdrawal process. You will now see options for transferring your funds. Select the bank account you wish to withdraw to. If you haven't added a bank account yet, you will need to do so now. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account details accurately. Make sure to review the information for correctness before proceeding. Once your bank account information is entered, go back to the withdrawal options. Choose the amount you wish to withdraw from your available balance. Review any fees associated with the withdrawal, as these may vary. Confirm the withdrawal by clicking on the Submit button. You will receive a notification confirming that your withdrawal is being processed. Generally, it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Check your email for updates regarding your withdrawal status. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or contact Thumbtack support for assistance. Make sure to keep track of your account to ensure the funds arrive correctly. Once the funds are in your bank account, you can use them as needed. That concludes the detailed guide on how to withdraw from Thumbtack payments to your bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.